In this video, I will show you how to download and install Steam. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Steam. From the search results, open the official Steam website, then click Install Steam in the top right corner. On the next page, click Install Steam again to download the installer. Once the download is complete, open the setup file from your Downloads folder. If prompted by Windows, click Yes to allow the installer to run. Next, click Next. Choose your language, select the installation location if needed, and click Install. After the installation finishes, make sure Run Steam is checked, then click Finish. Wait for Steam to download and install any required updates. Once it's ready, sign in with your existing Steam account, or click Create a free account to make a new one. After signing in, you can access your library to install your games or browse the store to download free or paid games.